everyone! Today's lesson is about naming parts of an expression. Expression is a group of terms, contains numbers, operations, and variables. Doesn't contain an equation sign. Let's check out some examples. Label the parts of the expression 8y minus 7 plus 2y. Here, 8 is the coefficient, and negative 7 is the constant, and y is the variable. And this expression 8y minus 7 plus 2y has three terms. 8y is our first term, negative 7 is the second term, and positive 2y is the third term. 8y, negative 7, and 2y. Okay? Let's continue with another example. M plus 4 plus 2 minus 7m plus 6. Let's start with variable. M is the variable. And 4 is the constant. And negative 7 is the coefficient. And we have 5 terms here. Let's check them out. M is our first term. Positive 4 is our second term. Positive 2 is our third term. Negative 7m is our fourth term. And positive 6 is our fifth term. So there are 5 terms, and the terms are m, 4, 2, negative 7m, and 6. Okay, now please pause the video and complete the following questions, number 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's time to check the answers. Okay, let's move on. Question number 7, match the vocabulary to the correct definition. Algebraic expression is a number sentence without an equal sign. Coefficient is a number that multiplies by a variable. Constant is a number that stands by itself. And term is each part of an expression, which is also separated by an operation. This one was B, and this one is A. And the last one is the variable. Variable is a letter that stands for a particular numerical value. Okay, well done. This one is D. Okay, question number 8. Write a math expression for the following pictures. Be sure to practice combine and like terms. We have 3 kangaroos here. Let's use K for kangaroo. So we have 3K. Then we have 2 gorillas. Let's use G for gorilla. And then I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more gorillas. So it is going to be 5G. So our expression is 3K plus 2G plus 5G. And then from here, I see like terms. So we have positive 2g and then positive 5g. Please make sure to circle also the number sign in front of the terms. And then if you combine these like terms, it is going to be 3k plus 2 plus 5 is 7. So 7g. This will be the final answer. Question number 2. I see one dolphin. Let's use D for dolphin. And then I see two pandas. So P for panda. And then I see 1, 2, 3, 4 cheetahs. So C for cheetahs. And then 2 more pandas. So then we have 1D, which we can also use just D for the dolphin, because if there is no number in front of the variable, we know that means 1. Okay, 1D plus 2P plus 4C plus 2P. Again, let's combine like terms, but let's circle our like terms first. We have 2P here, and then we have other 2P here. So let's go ahead and combine them. D plus 4P, 2 plus 2, if you add the coefficients, will give you 4 plus 4C, which is our final answer. Okay, let's move on to the last section of our warm-up. Let's combine like terms. First one, number 1, we have 3D and we have positive 2D as our like terms. And then we also have positive 7 and negative 8. So let's combine first 3D and 2D. When you add the coefficients of these two terms, you will get 5D. Then let's combine 7 and negative 8. When you add 7 and negative 8, you will get negative 1. Here's our final answer for this expression. Number 2. Let's check our like terms first. But before we do that, let's rewrite the expression. I see two negative signs here. Remember, negative times negative is positive, or subtracting is actually adding opposite. So let's go and change this expression to negative 7 plus 2g plus positive 10 minus 7g. And then let's identify the like terms. We have 2g and we have negative 7g. And then we also have constant negative 7 and positive 10. Negative 7 plus 10 or positive 10 will give you 3. And then 2g plus negative 7g will give you negative 5g. You can also write this as negative 5g plus 3. Either one is okay. Okay. Question number 3. Same thing, I would like to rewrite this expression first. So 2p, because you have 1 plus sign, 1 minus sign, here it is going to be negative 5, or just minus 5 minus 2p plus 13. And then from here we can combine like terms. We have negative 5 and we have positive 13 here, and also we have 2p and we have negative 2p here. So when you combine, first 2p plus negative 2p will cancel each other, it's going to be 0. And then you have negative 5 plus 13, which will give you here just number 8. And that's the final answer. Okay, number 4. Let's rewrite this expression as well. Negative k plus 18, negative negative will make each other positive, so it's going to be a positive 5k minus 27. Then let's identify the like terms. We have negative k, and then we have positive 5k, and also we have positive 18 and negative 27. First, negative 1k. Negative k means is the same thing as negative 1k. That's why I can assume that negative k is actually with the coefficient negative 1 here. So I'm adding negative 1 and 5 to combine negative k and 5k. So from here, negative 1k plus 5k will give me just 4k. And then negative 27 plus 18 will give me negative 9. Okay? And next question, we have 3c, and then we have negative 12c. Also, we have 18, and then we have negative 52. So let's combine for c's. 3c plus negative 12c will give you negative 9c. And then 18 plus negative 52 will give you negative 34, sorry. We're just following the rules for integers, addition of integers. And last one, let's also rewrite this. X plus 6 plus 3x minus 17 minus 7x plus 52. Let's go ahead and combine like terms. I have x, positive 3x, negative 7x, and then we have constant positive 6, negative 17, and then positive 52. Let's combine variable terms with the variable terms, and then also combine constant terms with constant. If you add them, you will get negative 3x, because x plus 3x means 1x plus 3x, which will be 4x, and then 4x minus 7x, or 4x plus negative 7x will give you negative 3x. And then 6 plus negative 17 is negative 11. And then if you add negative 11 and 52, you will get positive 41. And done. Okay, we're done with this section of the unit. Have a great day.